What up, YouTube? What up, TikTok? All right, here we are, man. Here we are. Check, check. Sorry if I'm blowing your ears out, YouTube. Yeah, you probably will. So, happy Monday, you guys. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys survived NFP. Did you survive the viciousness of non-farm payroll? So I'm just making sure everything's all legit here. Every time I start the stream, anxiety is at least at level 9,000 and then it starts to cool down. So let me just check. All right. If my audio and my voice is like fucking blowing the speakers out, just let me know. All right, dope. So yeah, what's up, you guys? Big Shib Dog, Cody, Ariel. NFP was great. Yeah, NFP was great. My accounts didn't say the same, but yeah, it was a bit of fun. How long did it take you to fully understand what's going on? Not long, bro. You'll learn in like a month. Yeah, you can start to learn what's going on in like a week, couple of weeks. So I think it's going to be a good idea over here, you guys. 27 on YouTube, 27 on TikTok. I think it's going to be a good 127. I think it's going to be a good idea over here is to do a quick top-down analysis. NFP was great, thanks. How's Dubai? Dubai's amazing. So if we have a quick look at the weekly here. Wow, look at this weekly. This weekly, if this weekly flips green, this is like a weekly type 2. But if this weekly flips green, we could get a fucking nice push over here. Let's have a look at the daily. Very strong daily because of NFP, obviously. Retest. Maybe we're ready to keep pushing up. I don't know. Kind of looks like it. Wow, 4 hours moving up. Right, 4 hours moving up. 1 hour is engulfed this shit here. We're at a pretty strong level of resistance. Above that, it's a bit chop suey, but I think I'd still be. I think I'm still interested just to kind of fill this wick over here. Very strong 30-minute. Wow, look at that. And 15. So yeah, here we are. I think I'm looking for buyers above here. I'm not looking for any break below unless we get. I'll take a sell if we get like a type 2 sell opportunity here, but that's it. What's your take profit? I'll tell you when I'm looking to take a trade. How's that live account? Yeah, you guys, I'm also going to be trading this live account on stream now as well. And I want to show how to grow a live account. I put 1,000 Australian dollars in this account. And I'm going to start trading it on stream as well. How to grow a small live account to 1 million. 1,000 to 1 million challenge. All caught live on stream. And then you just see like dodgy as fucking broker statements. I'm like, yeah, man, I swear. All that shit. We've seen it all before. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that live on stream. So that'd be cool. Yeah, Alex G's part 2. Did you see CopyZilla did a piece on Alex G, which is pretty funny. It was a weak piece. There was so much more he could have had on him. It was weak. If anything, it just gave Alex G more exposure. To be brutally honest. I mean, if you're someone like Alex G, that was just like good exposure. He didn't cover anything important. Like if you really wanted to show that, because I've been following Alex G for a while, and I've seen heaps of the debunking and stuff, and it's like, bruh, he left so much out, but who gives a shit really? So yeah, I think this is pretty good. But what do you guys? Anyone be looking at NQ over here? Like, what's NQ doing? Just trickling its way up. Yeah, ugly stuff on NQ. Probably going to stick to gold for today. Which coin? Bing Bong Bang coin. Bing Bong coin. 10K to 1 million in 2-week challenge starting today. What's up? It's detected. I have to back up my crypto to Web3 system. Bro, that sentence doesn't mean anything. You know that sentence doesn't mean anything, right? That sentence doesn't mean anything. I remember when NFTs were first coming out and everyone was like, Web3, dude, Web3. And it's like, means nothing. Just say the internet. Can I call you back in an hour? No, but do you want me to pay it? If I pay it, it's going to be for a month, though. Yeah, because it's a month-to-month thing. No, just leave it. Oh. Did I pay for that box? I can't remember. I'd say just leave it. I'll call you back in a bit though. I'm on stream. Love you too. Bing Bong Coin. Oh, I'm filming a documentary thing tomorrow, you guys. It's gonna be epic. The candle closed below the line where you said sell. Wait, what? Wait, bruh, you're making things in your own mind. You got a YouTube channel? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now. Same name as my TikTok name. Bing Bong Trades. Carolina, good to see you. Greetings. Happy Monday. I've had about 9 coffees today. Your boy's firing on all cylinders. Pew pew. Been up since 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Put the keys in the door. Body's laying all over the floor. Get out of my face, son. So yeah, here we are. So if I take a trade today, I'll throw it on the personal account as well and over on the fundeds. I'm running funded accounts. I got 5 top step combine accounts linked here, and I'm also got a personal account. So your boy's the king of juggling. I'm on a pretty solid win streak as well. Didn't hear back from you. Body's lean. Hairstyle is attractive. My hairstyle, I'm glad you said it because I feel like my hairstyle is just a bird's nest. But I do like that you have given me some confidence there. Anyone look at the 4 hour on Forex? Looks a bit different, but pretty similar. Affiliate manager for Trade Nation. Does anyone know what Trade Nation is? If it touches the resistance line, then it will be bearish. Yeah, that doesn't make sense, bro. Sorry. All is well for me, Ivan. Hopefully you're doing well. What up, Brucey? Which broker did you use? I'm using an Australian broker called CMC Broker. Yeah, these are guys in Australia. They've been hitting me up for ages, and I was like, yeah, let's lock it in. But I don't seem to be able to trade copper, which is annoying. Big trader guy, hey. Yeah, your boy's live with it. Should I invest in a proper copier that does everything at once? I mean, if you're super consistent and profitable and you haven't gone on like crazy tilts and shit for a long time and you understand like the ability to control yourself, maybe. If you're looking for people to get on stream, I've been told that Trade Sharp, oh, it's quite similar to you. Yeah. I mean, if there's anyone we want to get on, we want to get Tori on. I don't laugh. I just laugh because I'm only laughing because it's just funny, not because she's a girl. Yeah, I'm only laughing because it's funny. I mean, I don't even know what I'm saying. Oh, I trade with Trade. It's a broker. Ah, fuck that. Yeah. Did you cop that massive candle on the 1st of the month? No, I don't care about monthly candles. Like, I care about just looking at them for direction, but I'm not trying to trade them. Mama. T-pool? Yeah, I don't. Only thing here, Cody, I don't like that there's no top weeks. Buys above which point, bro? Look at the screen, please, please. I'm begging you just to look at the screen. I'm honestly begging you. I don't know how they got there, but I guess I must have killed them. Perry, is Perry in the chat? Big Bluey. Young Blue Waffle. What up, my brother? Itch Bay. Brother, do you know what's so Itch Bay, lad? Check the snake, bro. All predictions. Itch Bay, lad. On a hiding hole. Yeah, you guys are Itch Bay. If this candle can close red and the next one breaks through, man, that'd be great. That'd be Itch Bay. Is this an actual trading channel? No. Oh, that's Nathan saying that. What's your view on self-mastery in relation to trading? Well, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So if you haven't got discipline in life, then how are you going to come onto the charts and have discipline? That's really as simple as it. If we break it down to the most simple form of simplicity, that's the overall shits. Man, I don't know what happened since NFP, but I've got like nearly 1,000 new subscribers on YouTube in like over the weekend. Big loan. Each Bay, lad. Yeah, if we can hold a bit of support here, you know, kind of just pin the chart. You know, when we get this, I kind of look at it as like, you just put like a, you know, a pin into the chart. So we held it there now. We've got a bit of stability there now. And then it gives it that stability for the next one to successfully break above and then move on from there. But if it wants to start flipping green and being an Itch Bay, then we'll have to figure something else out. Itch Bay, lad. If so. Yeah, people love the degens. I don't think it's because of that. I think because of social media. Some of my social medias went off on the weekend. Some of my social medias went off on the weekend because that Big Daddy Mac Cheese or whatever his name is did a couple of posts on all these platforms. How to conquer your emotions. Conquer your emotions outside the charts. Kaniki, conquer your emotions outside the charts. Do you know what I mean when I say that? I really wonder if you understand that concept. Big Daddy Mac Cheese, that's... Thank you. The pleasure is mine. Chapzilla. So what do we got here? A minute before this candle closes. This is looking really nice, you guys. If the next one can break above, I'm going to Itch Bay into this. I'm not going to be an Itch Bay about the size either. Sir Raja Banks student here. What up, Sir Raja Banks student? Raja Banks is my student. Do you know Sam 9Y? Sam 9Y. Let's see if we know Sam 9Y. Oh, wow, this is really somebody. They're driving Lamborghinis and stuff. Wow. Look at him. I don't know what car this is. Sam Y9 has 5,000 Instagrams. He's driving some car here. Is he a trader? Oh yes, he's a trader and an entrepreneurial. Wow, look at these cars. Are these just like cars he's taking photos of, or are these his? These better be your cars, Itchbay. Otherwise, that's Itchbay Adlay, Eshe. Oh, it must be his cars. Look, he's got his feet on them and stuff. Yeah, I don't know who Sam Y9 is. Okay, so if this can break above here, that'd be pretty nice. All the higher time frame signs are bullish. I gave you oh, thank you for the hat over there, Geordie. I gave you a shout out, bro. That's why you got all the followers. Graph, what up? Fries in the bag, hey. Oi, lad, want to hit that? Oh, fuck. Lad, I got a booth on the weekend bringing the hustlers, Itchbay. Are you fending off Timu Dans? Yeah. Entry, please? No. Once I'm about to enter, I'm actually going to block you so you don't see. Oh, Graf just did it. Fuck. You speak fluent pig Latin. Fluent Itchbay. So yeah, let's see. Has NQ had any volume since the session opened? Or has it been an Itchbay? I mean, it's already at that, it's nearly at that target, so you can't really, not a freaking, no, nothing's there. Yeah. Eatswa. Recover from NFP? Nah, devastated. Devoed. I like the way you speak slowly. Okay. Okay. Devo lad. What's that Spanian song? Backpack or a Mac Black or a fat jack and a knack. Let's short. Gonna need some sort of signal to short. Gonna need like an indication that that's a good idea. Right now, I haven't got that indication. Right now, the higher time frames are telling me that they're bullish, so I'm just gonna have to go with that. Eshe, full port NFP fucked me up, Adley. Adley got the signal off this lad on YouTube. Yeah, it's red, that means short. Check the new Dissy. Let's have a look at the new Dissy. Oh, title's still at NFP. The reason why I wasn't even paying attention to this, Mitch, was because the volume was dog shit. The volume was dog shit. I just like looking at all, like the whole day, it's just kind of trickled around. Yeah, if that really got you, that is savage. That is absolutely savage, Garden. Yeah, the reason why every time I came to the NQ and had a look and just seen this, I was like, nah, I'll pass. I'll pass. 2 green candles as well, yeah. Yeah, you might have got Adelaide there. Brutal, wow. Brutal L there as well. Just Edged ya. You're an ex-Eshe? Lad. Nah. Right, no, actually, wait for Edge. High time frame bullish. Yes, Harold. Oh, Sylvia did the same. Yeah, I guess that's a perfect example of like just knowing when to stay out. Small candles. I understand you got two kind of stronger candles here, but also what's the time? Like the session time. This was like in that dead zone, deep into the Asia sesh, and not even really pre-London yet. It's kind of a dead zone. Fuck, that's loud. I'm gonna have to put this noise suppressor on. Add low. Yeah, W, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream as well. You guys on YouTube. If we can get to 100 likes, I'll drop dope ass sig. Yeah, unfortunately, normally I don't take trade that early into pre-London. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Unfortunately, but unfortunate, the lesson, like a reminder of the lesson. I guess that's all we can really take from it now. Brutal Mog. Yeah, NQ might have mogged you there. But yeah, I guess that's the lesson. Yeah, that's one of the worst fucking times to trade, eh? I've been burnt so many times, and that's why in the mentorship I have that specifically planned out. Like we can't trade in that spot. You got a mentorship class, and how can it? Yeah, you can look at the. It's actually pinned in the chat there. Anyone that wants to apply for the mentorship on YouTube, it's pinned in the chat there. Headley, does your apartment have a patio? Yes. Yeah, you guys, moving forward, remember, like, unless you see like this with NQ, look at these big, strong candles as opposed to this. Look at the difference, you guys. Right? When you look at it like that, you're like, ah, fuck, yeah, I'm a retard. We want to trade this, not this. So every time I even had a look at NQ and seen that, I was like, I didn't give it any of my attention. Adley. The issue here with gold is I don't want to sell gold. Drilling for oil, you can still hear that even with the noise suppressor. Fuck. What up, S? Shut up! Big Latin. Billions and billions. $100 likes for David trade, yes. Had a win this morning, then a loss, so now, yeah. In the Beninging. Alright, so I'm about to get that 30-minute closure. We'll see how this wants to close, and then we can start looking at some new shit. Can you do me a quick favor? Give me a 3-punch combo. Like I was thinking that today, I need to go back to find a boxing coach here. Do you go to the Broncos? Nah, I don't know anything about football. I'm not, I'll be honest, and people aren't going to like this, Australians aren't going to like this, but I think football's kind of gay. Pass me the ball. Give it to me. It's like, I just like UFC and boxing and golf. No, give me the ball back. Footy, that's the same shit. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I love how I've said UFC, boxing, and then golf, the most zesty one out of, like. No, give me the ball. Yeah, I don't know. So that what happens in the UK, see what happens. Bro, I would love to play golf in Dubai. I want to play with somebody here though. Can I become an FX trader? Yes. Yep. It's emotes for me. But yeah, you can become a FX trader. You can 100% do that. Hi Daniel, green screen view from, yeah. This is the new green screen view, it's Dubai. I like women's volleyball, yeah, facts. Because here's the thing, you guys, if we put a level here and say, oh, break below, this would be nice. You know, you're running straight into this level here. And then you go, oh, break below there would be nice. But now this range it's too small as well. Yeah, I hope we don't, I don't want to sell gold. Like if we keep moving down, we're going to be cooked until here, unfortunately. Yeah, type 2 would be ideal. Yeah, that looks like the best play for now. Dillawa, what up, G? What up, my cousin? Adley? Yeah, but it should be pretty cool, man. I'm pretty excited to trade this live account on stream and hopefully be able to show how to grow a small account. I think I'm going to risk about $100 per trade until I get to 2 grand and then up it and up it and up it. It's a slow game. It's not quick. I'm not going to try and flip it. I'm not doing some fucking, watch me flip $100 into $1 trillion in a day. It's like none of that shit. This is like professional trading and just daily growth. I'm safe, as I told you, my understanding was bearish, just retracement, and I sell it and well. How do you calculate lot size? Yeah, I don't know. I just figure it. I just fucking. I don't do it. And I don't do any like mathematical shit. I just click the button and figure it out. I mean, I did a couple, you can see here, I did 2 trades to kind of figure it out. So I think 0.5 lots to start with is good. I mean, that's all I can do until my margin gets bigger. Anyway. Full port or nothing? Yeah. I got to type 42. The fact you're in a random live raving about. Oh, was somebody raving about a win? Did you switch to Forex? No, I've traded Forex for years, but prior to futures. So I'll just be trading Forex and futures. Adley. How much in the account? Just $1,000 or 1,000 Australian dollars I put in. 1,000 Australian dollars is like 600 US, so it shows 600 US here. You can see down the bottom. Yeah. Thanks, Dan. Looking forward for a private ment. Nice, Harold. I don't think I remember. I mean, I never did mentorship before. I only did like strategy stuff. Bro, the move you did to Dubai came from money and mentorship or be real? From everything. Session trend is, yeah. Bro, I'm not even joking. This is my fourth coffee and it's not even 11:30 a.m. So it looks like we're still moving down here. The 30 closed. Wow, that's pretty ugly on the 30, man. I'm going to be honest. We'll see. How do you recommend starting trade when you're a teen? I mean, maybe just demo and spend time learning. Depends when you say a teen, what age is a teen? Because there's a difference between a 16-year-old and a 19-year-old. All right. Is NQ really ripping? We'll see. If it can break this level, we can start looking at locking in type shit. Adley. Should I start trade number 11? Should I start trading? I just got born. Oh, you get a top step account now, Adley, Ty, W. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now, Trading Devil. Change your name though. Definitely do that. Did I just have my first potty training session? Can I? WSA. Your YouTube ain't live today. Bro! Which one of you guys in the mentorship got through it? Which one of you guys have locked in to Think and Grow Rich? Which one of you guys are working on your communication skills? You know what I mean? Or are you just focused on one area of your life and neglecting the rest? I don't know. Sick read? Nice cash. Yeah, I remember you were saying that. W. Breathwork change your life, really? Slowly getting through the Bible. W. K-Dub. Yeah, it's going to be worth it, Cody. What advice can you give to a person stuck at BE for so long? That it's now your chance to do the inward work and look at what one thing needs to change to get you to the profitable. You're there, bro. You're already there. Now you just need to tweak one thing. You live standing? Why that? To control? No, I live stand just because sitting down for long periods of time is probably not good for you. It's a level of discipline as well. Do you do one-on-ones? I mean, I do one-on-ones for the guys in the mentorship, yeah. I don't do just one-off one-on-ones anymore. It's only for like guys that are actually in the community. No, I didn't get my teeth done in Tokyo. I got my teeth done in Australia. Lol. Show me your teeth, bro, and then we can really lol. So we'll see what happens here, man. Moving back up. Wow, NQ's pushing. Calf reveal. Oh, what? I actually trained legs today. I just signed up at a new gym. It's kind of zesty. The wall, everything's all pink, but it's quiet and close. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up to the stream, gang. If we can get to 100 likes, I'll give the ultimate signal that's going to get you sent you financially free. Yeah, a little hidden gym. I didn't want everyone to come. Like if I go to a mainstream gym, I'm just going to get flooded with cameras. I just get flooded with people running up to me, buy or sell, buy or sell. They're going crazy. Is it hinting sells? No, you don't want to trade based on hints. You want to trade based on... You want to trade based on your gut feeling and no logic. No strategy, just gut. I think this is going to happen. Joking, joking, joking. So we're kind of moving up and down here. We're just going to be patient, you guys. Got to be patient. If you expect to come onto the charts and get a trade set up straight away, then you're playing the wrong game, man. Like, let me save you from just wasting your time in this game. If you can't be prepared to wait for a setup for potentially hours and then still nothing happened, then you're just playing the wrong game. You unfortunately had a misconception about what trading is, which is fair. There's a lot of, there's a lot of misconception out there on social media. Yeah, I'll throw the new Discord link in the chat right here. Anyone wants to join the free Discord, I'm going to put it in the YouTube chat right now. Boom. NQ on the run. Yeah, what are you gonna do? I'm not too concerned with NQ right now. I think we'll get something here on gold. We'll get a setup here on gold. Max Option Trading on YouTube posted a video about you 120k subs. I can't tell if you're capping. Did he say how handsome I am, or was this talking about my schlong? Oh, you mean the short that he posted? Look at this, 78,000 views. God damn it. Why don't I mean, this one got me like over 5 million views on my actual social pages. It's one of my most viral posts. So he's leveraging my virality. Is that the video we're talking about, C+? He said just stream it to get noticed by talk. Fucking hell, Nate. Everyone Friday, everyone won except me? Brother, well, I guess it's just me and you, because I didn't win either. In fact, I blew up 2 accounts. Taking a very serious trade on NFP. I took very serious trades on NFP and blew 2 accounts. So I guess it's the both of us in that boat. I'm on a boat. Look at this, you guys on YouTube. 2 likes away from 100 likes on this stream. Smash that like button and turn on the notification. Blah, blah. Yeah, so not a ton happening right here, right now. We'll see. NQ seems to be holding above this level. I don't like that it's moved this much green. We'll see. If we can print small red and then push after that, I'll take a buy. Lost 1K on Friday? I mean, that's just stupid though. Like, why would you... That's just... You might as well go to the casino. Like, you do realize that. Yeah, I mean, no. You do realize that. I know you realize that. Because that's not trading. I did it with the intent of knowing that I'm happily to lose this amount. Because I know it's not trading. This is just fun. This is just entertainment. What are you looking at into buys? I'm looking at buys. I don't know. I don't want to sell on this. Yeah, I don't want to sell gold. I mean, I'm happy to sell gold, but in order for me to get the SIG for it, it's going to take longer than to buy. A buy could start to present relatively soon. Yeah, exactly, RJC. That's the best way to win on NFP is to not be there. At least you're honest and still here, unlike others who just go silent for 2 weeks. Oh, Lemon. No, but I'm talking about these accounts I don't really give a shit about. And even if you blow it like an other account, like if you go silent after blowing an account, I mean, it's just funding accounts. They're really not that deep. If I blew like personal accounts that I grew for a long time, I'd probably be hurt, but you know, prop accounts just come and go. Who gives a shit? I don't know. Can I ask you how long you had been in NFU till you profitably consistent, start using alone, start your own business? I mean, I don't know. I don't know what it's like these days. My story with MFU or like Raja's system was just like when I first came into trading, he was one of the first guys I came along and learned simple price, like simple breakouts really. Just essentially what we do here, but way more simple version of it. And then I just used that and found success. And then I spent years after that fucking around and doing all this other bullshit. And then I came back to that like simple price action trading and found success again with it. And then obviously added some other shit into it and tweaked and whatever. It depends. If you're doing it by yourself, it's going to take longer than you probably think, unfortunately. Like it's good. A lot of the guys in the mentorship, they're still in like this first 6 months to a year of trading and getting funded and shit. Like that's not normal. Like it's unusual to be a funded trader and this is like, I'm speaking directly to you guys that are in the mentorship. If you're still in your first year or whatever, even 2 years, like you're not meant to have any success yet, but you are. And it's because you've been mentored, you've got a community and you've got all the guidelines. You know exactly what you need to do to be that guy. Most people eat shit for years. I did. Yeah, it's very common to just go through hell for years. And I do wonder if it's maybe not a good thing to help guys win so quick, because that's going to filter out who really is about it or not. How do you react during the losing stage? But I can't stand the idea of guys going through the pain, and girls, because it's fucking painful, man. it's painful because no one gets into trading as a hobby. People have grand visions of what trading can bring, and then you go through all the losses and the pain and the doubt and like, why did I choose this path? And I don't wish that on anyone. All right, so here we go. Just close doji, dog shit, all good. NQ, what do you got? Kind of held above this level. If this can close like this, you know, I'll take a sell on the next one. I mean, I'll take a buy on the next candle. But that's, I'm going to need to see exactly that, pretty much. Girl, I want your body. Oh, what up, Dave? My man. How can one join your mentor? There's actually a link. I've linked it in the YouTube chat. You can see in the YouTube chat there. Big Dave. Hopefully you've been doing some like research and looking into this, my bro. Any questions? Just hit me up. No, you're definitely not normal, Cody. Some people catch on quicker than others. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't think it's people catch on quicker than others. I think it's people be retards for longer than others. That's the difference. It's not like somebody does something better and they catch it quicker. It's just other people fuck around for longer so they don't catch it quicker. Yeah. No, Easton, I sit on the 15 and then when I'm potentially getting a setup, then I'll switch all through the higher time frames to get a bias. Yeah. I don't go lower than the 15. Are you using TikTok Studio? Yes. Yeah, gold's been a bit of a goose here. Nothing super interesting just yet, but we're gonna have to be patient here. I think we'll get. Oh, you flagged for bullying and harassment. Your live has been flagged for harassment and bullying and repeated violation. All right, you guys on TikTok, if you want to keep watching the stream, I'm going to continue over here on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube. Same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. I'll see you over there. I'm live right now. Yeah, I guess I might have said retard or something. Just another day on fucking TikTok, honestly. Have you ever traded while high? Yes. It went really good a couple of times and I did it again and it went really bad and I said, oh, I guess this isn't a good idea. Do you think it's realistic to become profitable under a year? It depends. Not by yourself, it's not. You need like guidance of experienced traders around you because market conditions change throughout the year and years. And unless you've been in the game for long enough to understand how to adapt to that, yeah, it's not really, well, it's actually impossible. You can get profits and you can do quite well. Yeah, but yeah, you're going to need to be around the right people. Get the right people around you, man. Like I don't understand. Like that's so important. Yeah, TikTok's so fucking lame, bro. They're making the streams gay. You can say that. You can say whatever on YouTube. You can't say whatever, but like it's so much more chill. They're making the frogs gay. Hillary's a lizard. Come on, Gold. Where's the volume, son? NQ. They're making the frogs gay. I get funded in just under a year. Consistently, we get payouts hard. Yep, under a year, but consistently getting payouts is hard. Getting better though. That's the main thing, Jack. Just getting better. That's all you can do. Yep. You'll get there, man. As long as you are getting better, and the only way to get better is you assess the mistakes that were made yesterday. That's where journaling comes in, and it's like anything. You just keep getting better. But the thing is, a lot of people associate getting better with trading by adding things and changing things. It's not about that. It's just about assessing your behavior on the charts. That's really it. If you've got a system that works, keep it simple and then work on you. I always use this analogy, but a boxer just gets better by perfecting the jab, perfecting just simple movement. He doesn't add shit in to get better. Yeah, and that was why I struggled for so long, Nathan, is I thought I didn't want to be in any communities. I didn't want to be around any other traders. I just wanted to do it in my own little room. And that's ego. That's ego. It really is. Can your strategy work in any market condition? Yes. It has to change if certain things happen. Like small things have to be tweaked, but price action is price. All I teach is understand market structure. That's like we call it type 1 and type 2, but the overall premise of it is like understanding higher time frame bias. So you got to understand how to read the charts, and then we lock in on a couple things. What broker? I'm using a broker called CMC. They're an Australian broker. What up, trades? Meow. Trades meow. African Americans. And key rejected. Still got 7 minutes. It could just flip back up. We'll see. African Americans, they love Trump. Wow, this is unbelievable. Volume's through the roof. We get to 100 bands? Yeah, oh, 137 likes. Wow, okay. Hillary's the criminal. Hillary's a criminal. She should be in jail. She really should. Yeah, so who's got the Tory hookups? Ty loves her. Do you know how many people have sent me this exact video? I'll comment on it. I'll save you. Hmm. 200 likes to do it. Don't be itch bay, yeah. Do it. Billions and billions. Oi, lad. Who's Mel, Nathan? Christian, I'm in Dubai now. Oh, you would have done it. Yeah. Message sent. What? What does that even mean, bro? Fuck off, bro. Inch Bay. So yeah, we're really going to try and see if I mean, if NQ can retrace up here and close up above small body, I might be interested in an impulse buy. Claudia Trades had her full address leaked the other day. Wow. That's fucked up. What do you mean the state of her Discord? All the simps? Could you imagine the simpery that would be in Tory Trades' Discord? Simpology. Maybe I should join it. Tory Trades Discord. Are any of you currently in Tory Trades' Discord? Where's the link, motherfuckers? Fuck. You got 3 minutes, got NQ. Maybe we can sell NQ back down, actually. Is this a wick? The thing with NQ, when it moves like this, a lot of the time it has a tendency to just to fucking keep moving in that direction. And it's still a pretty low volume time for NQ. But it really did kind of tap this target and reject. I'd be expecting a lot from this 1 hour in terms of the wick that it needs to leave. Oh, this is a 1 hour closure. Okay. Interesting. I might be interested in a sell here on NQ then. Let's see. Perry's a mod. Took advice, bro. Started learning about trading last week. Since. Awesome, brother. Yeah, exactly, Dave. Just keep doing that, brother. Keep learning the basics, and it's gonna require a fucking ton of discipline. But I'll help you, man. Anything you need help with, just message me. Try and message, if you can message me on my other account, Dave, I'll help you out as much as I can. So I need to know the name of that tool. What tool? Chisel? What tool, sir? Oh, train. Wait, huh? Yeah, trading. Yeah. Oh, this, are you talking about this tool? Bro? Sir? Because that's Zoom. This is Zoom. I got Zoom open. Yeah, I think an NQ sell might be nice here. I'm gonna want a decent wick up because that hour wick there needs to be filled. Well, it doesn't need to, but I would want to see it at least retested, and then I can sell it back down. Yeah, this is looking pretty fucking nice. If I get a nice top wick here, I'm going to be interested in a sell here. Girl, I want your money. Wait, can I can't even fucking trade NQ on this shit, can I? Oh. Why not gold? I mean, I'm interested in gold, but it's not presenting anything just yet. NQ's starting looking more like the play. Gold might drop here. Sorry, it's Claudio. Wait, what? Yeah, essentially, Eston is, if we look at the, I haven't really looked at the 4 hour to be fair. I mean, the overall trend we've been moving down is heavy bearish, right? I know it was last week, but the fact is, it is what it is. So we've tapped into a pretty target area. Like this area is a pretty key area. There's a lot of clean traffic above. You know, candles are rejected there before on the 1 hour. We've got a big 1 hour rejection. If you look at the 30 is massively rejected as well and closed red. So it's rejected to such a degree that it's actually closed red. Then you look at the final candle, the 15. The 15's done the same thing. It's given it a good stab. It's closed red. It's actually engulfed the previous candle as well. So all the signs are that it doesn't want to be there. We've got clean traffic below. So if I can just write it down a little bit and catch some of this play back, because again, all the signs are that we're getting a lot of sellers in here. Like once it tapped into this range here, a lot of sellers just said, fuck that, I'm selling the shit out of this. I'm essentially looking for exactly what happened here. Look, same thing happened. There's that wick, push down, Bob's your uncle. So I'm going to put a sell at the break of this previous 15-minute candle's low. I'm still an amateur when it comes to the right type of size and shit to use for NQ, but all good. Sean, the reason I'm not interested on gold is because if I were to take a sell, I'm running straight into support here. Like there's that, obviously this level here, but then there's this level right here as well. So I don't like to sell into these levels on the 15. I can't ignore the 15. That's the biggest thing. I can't just ignore that level there. I know price is going to have a reaction there. Is that reaction enough for it to bounce up and take my stop out? I don't know, but they're not odds I like to play with. So that's why I can't do that, unfortunately. I would love to, because I do think gold wants to drop. Alternatively, if NQ can close above this level, I'll also buy NQ. But I like this. If this does turn into a wick and there's enough time on the clock for it to flip, this is a great top wick. This is exactly the size of the top wick I wanted. You just know when you get the right size. Brother, please reduce the size of your photo smaller that we get room to see. Bro, can you not see the chart? What else do you want to see? You just want to look at candles? I'm showing you all you need to see, brother. Instead, I'm giving you a view of my fucking face. Because all the ladies that drop into this stream, and that trust me, there's billions and billions of them, they want to see your boy. Oh, fuck. Yeah, make sure you guys drop a subscribe if you're not already. We're nearly at 200 likes over here. Live every day on this shit. Horrifying. Oh, fuck. Face for radio? Yeah, legit. Tori might be secretly watching exactly. Yeah, because I had to shut down TikTok, so they've migrated. They're making the chat scary. Tori doesn't even manage her own. Yeah, she would. Yeah, exactly. So how am I going to get through to T-Dog if she doesn't manage any of her own shits? How am I going to get back through to T-Pain? Imagine if I did a stream with her and I was like, what's up, T-Pain? Imagine, I said this before. Imagine if I did a stream with her and she jumps on and then I just have that on the chart. What's up, Tori? Yo, what's up? And she's like, what is that? I'm like, that's right. Tori, will you marry me? And then in the fucking thing is a free FTMO challenge account. Oh, fuck. Pay for her address in this hardware. Clip that. Yeah, gold's shit the bed bad here. Nothing's happening. NQ's really here to save the day, potentially. Oh, fuck. Man, look at these combines. Over 5 accounts. Nearly 400 bands over 5 accounts. If we're trading that live, like, there's really no point to trade a 100k account. If you can put some, if you can put a decent buffer on these 50k accounts, you might as well just fucking do that. Tie, bro. Fuck. I've got a few things in mind. I think we kind of have NQ pinned here. We'll see what happens. The worst thing that NQ could do right now is close exactly where it is, exactly how it is. That's the worst thing that it could do. If it does anything other than that, I've got a plan for it all. Stoli, or like what I've got, it's 5. So the main account, which what I'm on now, and then 4 of them are following. So 5 accounts is fucking dope. Shem! Girl, I want your money. When does a 4-hour close on futures? Not for a while. Okay. Yeah, I didn't expect this. I expected some volume here on gold. I mean, thank God for NQ. How about shirtless trading? How about... Nah, I'm not that guy anymore, pal. I mean, back in my trend days, maybe, but... Yeah, he has, Shem. He's been saying that dude's secretly 4'10". Same haircut as Tori. This is why I can't get her on the fucking stream. Yeah, I can't trust you guys, I don't think. No, I can't trust anyone. Would you jump back on the gear? No, absolutely not. Under absolutely no circumstance. It's the stupidest shit ever. Like, it's really the dumbest shit you can do is steroids. Chicks don't care about it. You just look like a retard. Dudes are like, sick, bro. Fuck. And then you're also injecting drugs. You're also addicted. So you're reliant on it. Whenever you're reliant on something, it's already a bad idea. So no, it's a real dumb idea. Just get rich, maybe? Like focus on building businesses and wealth instead. So I'm going to cancel this sell order. Hopefully we can get a break above here. You can trust us, bro? Yeah. Yeah, this is if NQ closes here, that's the shittest thing it could do. To be brutally honest, that's the worst thing it could do. We might be getting mogged by these charts today. Yeah, I don't like to admit it, but it might be true. It is a Monday, you guys, start of the month, so we'll see. I don't know. And it's a London session. Historically, over the past few months, the liquidity providers and, you know, the matrix algorithm knows that we're on the charts for London, and they slow shit down. If this can close small body green, I'll be interested in to sell. Hey Dan, hope you're good, mate. I'm doing amazing, Abdul. Hope you're doing amazing too. Dan, would you ever get back on steroids? No. He's already naturally on them. Beautiful volume here on gold. What's the best thing to take? Clean meat, vegetables, and water. You guys have to understand steroids is just a drug addiction. Like if you're doing steroids, you're kind of a loser. Like honestly, I was a loser for like 7 years on them. It's literally the dumbest shit you can do. It's selfish. It's all about you. Chicks don't give a shit about it. Dudes do. Dudes think it's cool for a second. You're fucking your hormones. You're becoming reliant on injecting a drug. There's literally no upside. It's so dumb. No, dude, but I'm fucking, look. Yeah. Cool, bro. You're broke. Right? Save your mum. She still has to go to fucking work every day. Nah, man. I just did a PB. All right. So we've got a minute and a half here. See if NQ could break above this level. See if NQ can break above this level. We should look really cool. Oh, fuck. Fucking horse, right? Yeah, gold is in a very serious meeting. Yeah, gold's in a very, very serious meeting. Come on, Enki, you can do it. Giddy up. Dear Daniel, CCMB trade strategy. CMBM trade. The fuck is this shit? CMBM charting. Oh, man. Oh, it's someone's fucking thing. 200 subscribers. I mean, I've got 20 seconds here. Oh, it's a bot with a 100% win rate. Turn 1K into 40K in 2 months. Okay. Yeah, nice. Very good. Would you ever go back to the fucking Antarctic desert? The Antarctic desert? All right, here we go. We've got a break above, no top wick. So I'm still somewhat interested. Do you still train hypertrophy body? Yeah, I still train bodybuilding style. Yeah. Yep. But just way bitcher. It's really hard to get motivated to do long sessions. What do you think about hedging strategy? I don't think it's a good idea. 1K to 40 in 2 months? Why not fucking 10x that and turn 40K into $1 billion? Yeah, so typically what I'll do, if you get these candles break out with no top wick, you can kind of wait for the next one to create a top wick, reject down, and then if it can break that top wick a second time after it's created a tail, then you should be good to go. If it takes off here, then that's just poo-poo, but we'll see. There's only one way to find out. And gold's still in a meeting. What do you think about edging strategy? Just edge for fucking 10 days. What's your edging PP? That's so gay, man. Alright. Stay. Do we really have to pull out the bone? Come here, boy. Down. Sit. Come down here. Yeah, exactly, Nate. CME says it's free on stream when you hit it. I don't even know. How deep do you need the bottom wick? I mean, the deeper the better, honestly. Do you love Jesus, Dan? Yes, I do. Actually, I don't know too much about Jesus yet. I'm nearly up to Jesus in the Bible. But I can say for now, I love God. I know that Jesus is a human form of God, so I would have to say I love Jesus, but I don't know much about him just yet. Check Dissy? Okay, let's have a look at the Dissy. Bruh! What the fuck is that face? Okay. The deeper the... Oh, fuck, man. Yeah, that's so cooked, that AI shit. This AI stuff. Damn, these dudes like fucking paragliding down the side of the building here, washing it. So we'll see. Gold's kind of starting to leave this meeting, I think. We'll see if gold wants... I'd rather fucking trade gold. NQ's looking like it's shit in the bed here. Like, we really need to retrace it. It's starting to push up too much now. Dude. $30 still open. Yeah, come on. Just reject him, motherfucker. Connect, bro. Wow, these guys really are washing. That's crazy. I wish you guys could see this shit. So this is the thing in Dubai, because there's sand. It just makes the balconies a mess. There's always sand and shit. So I guess they have to wash it all the time. NQ being an itch bay? Yeah, NQ's fucking been an itch bay. I really can't afford this to break its own top wick one more time. If it breaks top wick one more time, it's over. Even what it's done now is already pushing it, but if this can retrace down and flip up, I'll be interested. Alternatively, if it can retrace down and hang out here, that'll be a 30 closure, next 30 wick down, and we should be good to go. So let's see what this candle wants to do here. Itch bay. Adley. Yeah. This is what this needs. Imagine what you are breathing all the time. We live in dust. Yeah, I know. But it's just dust. At least it's not fucking petrol fumes and shit, which I guess is probably that as well. You just earn a subscriber. Yes! 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 Thank you. Thank you. Fuck yes. Mom! The flops, yeah. Okay, he's doing my balcony now. Nice. Don't fuck with my cigars, son. Hillary's a fucking criminal. You, my friend, just earned yourself 1 new subscriber. That's right. You win a free fucking trip to Subscriber World. Should we buy in queue? There's no iron we. There's no iron we. Hey mate, what happened to your live stream? I saw you went live for Asia Open. Oh, that was a mistake. Yeah, that was a mistake. I go live every day for Asia, but it's for the mentorship crew, not public. And yeah, that was a mistake. It's African Americans. They love Trump. They really do. Hillary's a fucking criminal. Who's seen the shit where Trump like shakes someone's hand? He like pulls them in. That's how he shakes hands. He goes and then pulls them as he shakes. African Americans. Question, Dan. On my chart, the candle closed. When the next one opened up, there was a gap. That's okay. Don't worry about that. Yeah, don't think about that too much. Yeah, Dubai is very hot today. Ty's getting all the thumbs ups on his fucking dono. Thank you for the dono. I think apartment prices in the house should drop due to that loud dude. I mean, Danish, typically 20. Take size off at 20 and then fucking let the rest run for a bit longer or whatever. Yeah, old mate's really cleaning my balcony. Like your character? I mean, it's an interesting way to say that you like someone. I guess we are all just characters. Yeah, I guess we are all just characters, built up personalities over the years of whatever. Check Dissy. Bro. You guys realize I could actually get in trouble for these. And I don't like how it sort of knows how I look. It's not fake? Bro, it's fake. It's clearly AI. Literally got nerfed at the door by AI. God damn it. I just nerfed David. Oh, fuck, man. I really got nerfed at the door because my fucking feet was too popped. Diddy says yes, bro. Diddy trade new channel? You guys are wild, bro. Diddy trades. Are you tired of slippage? Try Diddy trades fucking oil formula. More chance for Diddy than Tory? Yeah, probably right. Hey, Daniel, gold 30 minute was very nice for entry setup? No, definitely not. There was nothing on gold for me just yet. I couldn't take that. It's more just consolidation. It's not like there's no clear direction. If I were to take it the break of that previous 30 high, there's no indication that it wants to move up. I haven't got any real signs. Like, it'd be risky. This 15 has no bottom wick and shit. No. So really, I might wait around to see if we can start moving up a little bit more. Or if NQ can present something here. But yeah, we're really... Oh, this is good. This is good. If this can stay like this, I'll be taking on the next candle. Love the teacher. It's so accurate. It looks exactly like Dave. Man, you guys are literally going to get me cancelled. Yeah, I could get cancelled. What's this? How come you will take NQ if it closes small green? Because that's going to be a 30 closure above this level. See this NPC? That's going to be a 30 closure above. And if it closes small green, then it's like, it's still holding bullish volume. We've got a top wick on the 30 now as well. If it closes red, that's not... I would have liked it if it didn't have such a steep top wick. If it closed red like that, then I would have been interested in taking an impulse buy after. But the fact that it's already created that range and then closed red, I'm like... But if it can flip green, then it's like, okay, we're still in the game. We're still on our way up. Next 1 week down, that'll be a 30, the new 30 open, and then we're ready to go. Yo, Prop XP, what up, what up, what up? Propzilla in the chat. You guys can see 50% off Prop X. Don't get it twisted, son. Propzilla. Vladimir Putin said Donald Trump is a genius. Putin called me a genius, by the way. Putin called... That hurt my brain, bro. Wait, my code's not what? Oh, you're in America. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, most props you won't... America doesn't... There's a lot of regulation for Americans to use prop firms. They're really strict in America. I mean, I'm sure there's ways around it, but any legit firm can't do it. Or most, sorry, I don't know. Oh, come on. What about the African Americans? Hopefully soon in the US, yeah. Futures starts, okay. Goats in the chat. Hey, this motherfucker didn't wash this part of my balcony. Yeah, it looks like this is closing red. Yeah, it's going to require a bit more patience, you guys. We're going to have to fucking be a bit more patient. I don't know if I'm going to stay on stream. I want to get a trade, though. I know there's a trade brewing up. Yeah, this isn't familiar price action for what I would want to see, unfortunately. I understand it's a 30 break above, but I can't ignore the way that the 15 looks, which is poo-poo. Gold kind of trickling its way up. Gold might be our last hope at this point. I'm going to wait for this one more candle. This is my last candle. If this can't give an indication of something, then we're chopped. Needs to stay in life. Yeah, I've got heaps of content like shit like that brewing up, but I don't know if it's entertaining or like interesting. That's the only issue. I'm thinking of hiring in a... Well, I've been speaking to someone to hire a full-time videographer to set up desk here and hire him for 8 hours a day. Yeah, I might be doing that tomorrow or something. I don't know though. We want to trade, bro? I'm with you. I'm with you, my G. Who cares what people think? And it's gonna be. Yeah, I mean, it's just like, is anyone getting any value out of it? Like, what do people get out of it? Is my main thing. Yeah, that's the main thing. The fuck is this shit? Yeah, don't get sucked in, thank you. Dopamine. Come on, Gold. Fucking pick up, man. Pick up, son. You can do it. What's the range to up here? It's not that far. Like, you can do this, bro. Eat a Big Mac on the next mukbang. If we can get to 200 likes, I'll give a crazy signal. Do you only do 2 hours a day? I mean, I trade 2 sessions a day. I show up to stream for about an hour and a half on both of those sessions, and then maybe watch a little bit off stream, and that's about it. I'm a videographer, but I don't live in Dubai, but if you pay me enough, I can move there. How much do you want? I've already got like potential people, but how much do you want? Roadmap idea would be good, no fancy limit. Yeah, that's like one video and it's pretty niche. I mean, not niche, yeah, I can do that. My first XFA. What's an XFA again? Is that just like a funded Top Step account? Yeah, Desi, Super Saiyan, just stick to the plan, man. Stick to the plan. You don't answer a question with a question, young Chris. $300 a week. Yeah, if I had a bigger place, I would move a videographer in, but I've only got a 1 bedroom. I've got 2 beds, but it's too small. I don't want to live with some random dude. I'll move to, yeah, but how are you going to make money? Oh yeah, I guess I pay you. Yeah, but you have to move somewhere. That's the issue. Sleep in the same bed. Yeah, and you could push past here, but it's not familiar price action. Like, what the hell? What the helly? Bank holiday, CAD. First day in the live stream, love how you keep it simple. Do you have videos explaining your full strategy? Nah, I am working on a longer format video for a bigger one. But yeah, look at all my short form content. There's heaps of like small things. Yeah, God has Monday fever for sure. Yeah. I would like to be paid by your mentorship. Yeah, but then you need money to survive Waterfall. And live and fucking all the shit. It's pretty expensive in Dubai. It is expensive. Like your general day to day. I didn't think it was, but then I realized it is. Fall back. 200 a week. Yeah, but where are you going to live, Chris, and all the other shit? Both these both these ones are stuck in the mud here. It's against the law to be homeless. Yeah, nice, Cody. For sure. Yeah, I'll give this last candle a crack, and if it can present something, then we're good to go. But if it can't, no need to sit here and watch these candles and not even move. Monday-itis. That's the most like 47-year-old lady named Debbie's thing to say. Oh, I've got Monday-itis. Yeah. Yeah, but you're not meant to make money yet, Ty. You're still so fresh, brother. I mean, nothing's meant for anything, but like the reality is, you're so fresh. You're already ahead of anyone that's at your level in terms of time in the game. Massively. Yeah, I know. Yeah, static's literally 4. Yeah, it's unfortunate. A lot of the times we come into London, it's just like this. I don't know what I'm going to do about it. But yeah. It is a Monday, start of the month as well. No Diddy. No, I don't trade New York. The guys in the mentorship do it. Or some of them. Yeah, they run the stream there for the New York. But yeah, love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Nothing's happening here, man. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Live every day here during the London session. Unfortunately, there's just no volume today during the London. All good. Don't need to force it, man. And let's catch up tomorrow for the London session and hopefully get a bit more volume here in the London session. London session. So, appreciate you, gang. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow and trade safe. See you, boys and girls.